We're made up of around 100 trillion cells, all coming from just one single fertilized egg. Within hours of fertilization, this new cell, called a zygote, divided into 2 identical cells, then into 4, then 8, 16, and so on, before implanting the lining of the womb and becoming an embryo. In some cases, on rare occasions, a single embryo creates 2 bodies. One in 250 early embryos split. If they do, they must divide completely within the first 2 weeks, or they probably never will. Once split, the embryos create near replicas of themselves. Identical twins. This quirk of nature has given synchronized divers Helen and Carol Galashan a distinct advantage.
Being an identical twin definitely helps with synchronized diving. Yeah. We don't really have to try with the synchronized part. That part comes quite naturally to us. We actually think we're mirror image twins. We fold our arms the opposite ways. Our hair parts the opposite way. Even like when we're diving, first foot I put on is my right foot, Carol's is the left foot. Identical twins actually come from one egg, and split, isn't it? Yeah, that splits into 2, and non-identical twins come from 2 eggs. So the way we see it is like we were actually one person, and we kind of just split. So we're like one person in 2 bodies.
Right. Oh. This woman's pregnancy is even more unlikely than identical twins. She's beaten odds of 4,500 to 1. Diane is carrying non-identical triplets. Remarkably, Diane's body naturally produced not 1, but 3 eggs in a single go. It's an incredibly rare type of pregnancy. Not only did Diane produce multiple eggs, but all of them were fertilized, entirely independently of each other.
Apparently, I released 3 eggs, and Mike, he had 3 separate sperm that fertilised all 3 eggs. They've all got their own placentas and they're all in separate sacs. So they've all got their own little bedroom.
Effectively, Diane got pregnant 3 times in one go. But there's a downside to having triplets. 31 weeks, 9 weeks early, Diane has gone into labour. She is going to need an emergency caesarean.
Just going to bring him round to show you quickly. Here we go, you 2. Here he is. So he's beautiful, okay? So he's a little breech baby. There he is. Hello. Isn't he lovely? This is the skinny mini.
All the babies have now been delivered.
She's beautiful.
Last but not least.
And against the odds, they are all alive and well.